Welcome to the Navigating the Drought.gov website video tutorial series. This series will showcase various aspects of the Drought.gov website that can assist you with planning and operational decisions. This lesson will focus in on drought information statements issued by the National Weather Service. So to see these drought information statements, here we are on the Drought.gov website. We can come down here to Data and Maps, and underneath that link we select Drought Impacts. And here on this page, we can scroll down to the drought impacts map. And wherever you see the icon with the letter I, that has been where a recent drought information statement has been issued by a particular office within the Weather Service. And so, for example, what we could do is go over here towards the New Jersey area and select the I. And that indicates that the Weather Service in Mount Holly or Philadelphia, uh, Pennsylvania, has issued a drought information statement. We can go ahead and hit view this statement. And here is an example of that. This is a upgraded version to what past drought information statements have been from the National Weather Service, much more graphical in nature and very detailed. You can see information related to the drought monitor, changes in drought intensity, precipitation, temperature information, summary of impacts, hydrologic impacts, agricultural impacts. There could be fire weather concerns, an outlook on the weather conditions. So a wide variety of information in these drought information statements. Now, another way to view this information, we're going to go ahead and go back to our drought.gov main page. And what we can do is we can scroll down here to the current conditions where it shows the U.S. Drought Monitor. And if we wanted to pick an area where there's drought, let's pick Wisconsin, for example. If we go ahead and pick the state, again, as we saw in the previous lesson, we can go to the Wisconsin page. And now if we scroll down, we see information related to the drought across Wisconsin. But notice below here in red, it says the National Weather Service has issued a drought information statement for La Crosse, Wisconsin. That's one of the Weather Service offices within Wisconsin, and that is the most recent drought information statement. There are other offices in Wisconsin that produce drought information statements as well. So if we go ahead and select that, now notice this brings us back to the map that we saw earlier. If you wanted to look at any of the drought information statements that have been issued from the different offices, you can go over here and pick the office and select View PDF Statement. Or, as we did earlier, we can just pick our location that we want, select the I, see there's the information from the La Crosse, Wisconsin Weather Service office, and we can hit View Statement. And now we're provided with that drought information statement related to drought conditions across portions of southwest Wisconsin and southeast Minnesota, as well as the remainder of the state of Wisconsin. So that's how you can navigate to looking at drought information statements on the Drought.gov website.